What's up, YouTube? Cat and Mouse coming at you. Got a new Ice Bear Maddog 2020 PMZ 150-21. As you can see, I have it jacked up. I'm in the garage, so I don't have no space. It's been raining for 2 days. I just finished painting my wheels black. So the purpose of this video, I got this delivered yesterday, and first I had to help my neighbor. I had to get my neighbor to help me put it together, which I didn't really need him, but he helped me. And then we put the front tire on and still had some things hanging. So I had to figure that out on my own. So that's the point of this video. Number one, you don't need help. All you have to do is get a jack and 2 jack stands, as you can see. Number two, I'm gonna show you how to install the front tire with the brakes and your speedometer, whatever it's called. But first of all, you need a 17mm socket, ratchet, wrench, whatever you want to use. That's up to you. Then, of course, it's common sense. The side with the rotor goes onto the side with the brake caliper. So in my case, that's the right side. Now, what I left out was these 2 spacers. I didn't even know that I needed those, which you do. So there's a long one and a short one. The first thing, brake caliper. Take this off so I can show you guys how this goes. First thing, brake caliper. I don't know what those called. There's 2 of those and 1, 2 right here. Just go ahead and place those on like so. Push them down, flip that in, and then come back to the caliper, and you want to kind of, you can use a screwdriver to spread it, but you want to put those pistons back in. Mine, or I shouldn't have did that. I hit my brakes, was trying to figure something out, but yeah, now I messed that up. See how this goes. Maybe we can still get it in because it's so thin. So we'll just put that back on, slide that in. Okay, then slide your tire through. Start this back so you see. Sorry, I'm trying to do this by myself, so see how good this goes. Take this off. Okay, here we go. I might have messed up because I pressed my brakes. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to open my caliper, so toss it. Okay, back. Show you this real quick. All I did was get a flathead screwdriver and pump that piston back to open it just enough so that rotor can fit in there. Again, go back. I don't know if you can see this. Again, go back. put that on. Pick up the tire. And you're gonna slide this. Turn that. Now it's kind of hard to do it by yourself, but it doesn't matter. I'm making it work. I'm using my feet to hold the tire up. Which in a little bit is gonna get more complicated. Gonna take a bit. I'm gonna pause this and get this on and I'll be back. Okay, I got the spacer in. I had to slide it in the wheel and then slide it in from the back. So I have that spacer in. Now what I'm doing is on the other side, I'm hitting the screw through with a mallet. And I'm using my foot to hold it up to make sure it's lined up even. That way it'll just slide through the hole, just like that. You see, it came through already. Make sure it's all the way through. And that's that. So show you how this look. The rotor, the brake caliper. This is for the speedometer to read your speed. I was told that, so yeah, you can see these silver on this black piece, you can see these silver pieces. Those are magnets. So as it spins around, that's how it picks up your speed. But yeah, so that's how. And again, this bolt that goes on the other side, which is right here, is a 17 millimeter. Just put it on and tighten it up. But again, Maddog 150cc, how to install a front tire. I know it took me a while. This is my first time and I had to struggle, but I got it done. Made the video because I haven't seen one posted. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace.